Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Tuition. Tuition means sum of money charged for teaching or instruction. For example, I'm not paying next year's tuition. I'm not paying next year's tuition.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The student union has also taken a stance opposing all differential tuition fees. Now, repeat after me. The student union has also taken a stance opposing all differential tuition fees. The second exemplar. For now, where can you go to get Latin tuition for primary school children? Now, repeat after me. For now, where can you go to get Latin tuition for primary school children? The third exemplar. At this time he earned a living giving private tuition and teaching in schools. Now, repeat after me. At this time he earned a living giving private tuition and teaching in schools.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.